My name is Astrid Anandita Yamuna Bier. I come to India for the fifth time because I teach yoga in Austria since 2007, and also because I perform Agnihotra for last 7 years. So I'm in connection to Shivapuri in India, and also for fifth time there. I stay for over a month. I came at 11th December to India, and I was in Latur on my first Mahasoma Yaga. And it was very interesting for me, very impressive, and that's why I'm here for the second time. I saw my first Agnihotra from one friend, 2012, and after I came to Shivapuri, and I felt so strong guidance and protection from Shri, because I came alone to India and he protected me. I know this, to reach Shivapuri on the journey, and also many times after. And not only about this, it is about health, and it is more than personal practice for me, because it is for atmosphere, and it is for our Mother Earth, it is for environment, cleaning much more than our body, but everything. Also, I experienced that animals feel the power of Agnihotra, because I perform very often on the balcony or in the garden. So birds are coming, cats are coming, and other animals sometimes, depends on where I am. So every creature is really glad that we do this and support and clean. I stay in India. I came 11th of December, and I need to go back in 2 weeks because my visa expires, but I took 5 years visa, so I will come back 2 times this year more, I hope so. And yes, I feel the energy already, and I remember the energy in Latur, so I feel so peaceful. I feel like at home. I feel everything is clean, and I feel so many common people, around. Goa I like, but until now I saw beaches only, so this is new experience for me to be here. And yes, I like Goa and different beaches and the sunshine. I like to swim, I like everything. This time I was not on the beaches. I stay in Shivapuri near Akalkot and perform Agnihotra daily and Havan. So this stay in India is a little bit different. I don't travel, I just stay and perform Agnihotra. I can tell, just try to start. If you haven't started until now, let some people show you Agnihotra. You just sit and feel, maybe for some days, as long as you can, and you will immediately feel the power and love to fire. Because I show to people in Europe also Agnihotra, and when they see it for the first time and just sit, they remember something, and how much they miss this fire, and they love it, and they ask, how can I perform it? Where can I get pyramid and cow dung and everything? What do I need? So I just say, try. So this journey comes to an end. I will return to Shivapuri, I feel so, and the next journey I will see. I never plan my journeys. My name is Astrid Anandita Yamuna Bier. So these are my spiritual names according to Jyotish, Indian astrology. And my age is now 51. I started to practice yoga 19 years ago. So I feel more healthy than before, much more flexible, and I can tell everybody also to start every day, maybe with 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and it will increase really naturally. So thank you so much.